Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to crop photos like a pro. We'll cover everything from uploading your image to applying the perfect crop and saving your work. First, let's grab the photo you want to work with. Head over to the Uploads section in your Edit toolbar. Go ahead and click Upload Files to bring in your photo from your computer. Perfect! Now drag that uploaded image onto your canvas so we can start editing it. With your photo selected, you'll see an Edit Photo option appear in the toolbar at the top. Click that to open up your editing tools. Here's where the magic happens. Find and select the Crop tool from the editing menu. For quick results, try Smart Crop. It uses intelligent detection to automatically frame your photo perfectly. Want a specific shape? The aspect ratio dropdown lets you choose from various formats like square, portrait, or landscape to fit your needs. Happy with how your crop looks? Hit Done to apply those changes. Don't forget to save your design. This ensures all your cropping work is preserved. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to crop any photo with ease. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.